The Department of Chemistry is one of the most prestigious departments in the Faculty of Applied Sciences. Initiated in 1974, our mandate is to contribute towards national development, scientific advancement and professional development by providing up-to-date knowledge and opportunities to enable students to become efficient and successful professionals. Chemistry is widely regarded as the central science because it connects various other disciplines of science. The Department of Chemistry offers a diverse array of courses that provide a strong foundation in chemistry and then moves on to offer more specialized courses covering a wide variety of topics. The chemistry degree programs are designed by incorporating fundamentals together with recent advancements to meet the country's needs and achieve global standards. The BSc General Degree Program is designed for students from both biological and physical streams who are interested in pursuing careers related to a wide range of chemistry disciplines. This program will enable you to find career pathways in public sector organizations as well as manufacturing and service industries in the private sector. The BSc Honours Degree Program in Chemistry is undoubtedly the most sought-after program in the Faculty of Applied Sciences and is designed for those who wish to gain in-depth knowledge, skills, and a broader perspective in chemistry as required by the industry and academia. To cater to increasing demands of the industrial sector, the Department of Chemistry also offers yet another honours degree program in industrial chemistry, where the main objective is to prepare prospective students as industrial chemists by culminating basic attitudes and skills in students that are required for their work in the industrial sector. The Extended Degree Program in Applied Sciences is a full-time 4-year degree program which extends through the General Degree Program from either physical, biological or polymer science streams. A new honours degree program in computational chemistry has also been initiated by the department, where students will gain in-depth knowledge in theoretical chemistry and computing, allowing them to expand their scope in the highest level of international standards. Needless to say, chemistry graduates have diverse options in numerous science-related fields such as agrochemicals, petrochemicals, and pharmaceutical industries, as well as plastic and polymer-related industries. There are many opportunities for your academic journey at the Department of Chemistry, University of Sri Jayawardhanapura. Students from both biological and physical science streams interested in chemistry can learn core subjects in their first and second year of academic studies. Chemistry students completing any of these degree programs can apply for MSc, MPhil or PhD level studies in organic, inorganic, physical or analytical chemistry. The Department of Chemistry also offers an MSc and postgraduate diploma program in industrial analytical chemistry, which is in high demand. Steps have been taken to introduce a new postgraduate program in industrial organic chemistry, which is designed to improve much required skills of government and industrial employees engaged in chemical, pharmaceutical, bioanalytical, forensic, and food and environment fields. The Department of Chemistry boasts of a highly dedicated and talented panel of academic staff to guide you in your quest for knowledge and skills, and ensures that you have a rewarding experience within a broad scope of chemistry, and is ably led by Professor Nilwala Kottegoda, the head of the department. The strength of the department lies in its staff with expertise in a plethora of areas. The chemistry department provides an ideal learning atmosphere to students through teaching and research laboratories and a smart classroom. The newest venture of the department is in the form of a new laboratory to fulfill research requirements of current and future undergraduate students. The construction of a new undergraduate research laboratory that could accommodate 50 research students is in progress. The Department of Chemistry has produced many graduates who have enriched the knowledge base of the country and contributed towards national development. Chemistry students are involved in many different academic-related activities apart from course-related work. The department has acquired the privilege of becoming a part of the massive network of the American Chemical Society under the International Student Chapter category, creating an excellent platform for undergraduates of the University of Sri Jayewardenepura to become integrated into the global chemistry landscape. Chemistry students have also displayed their exceptional skills in both extracurricular and academic-related activities. Recently, the chemistry debaters of the University of Sri Jayewardenepura took over the reign as champions of the Inter-University Chemistry Debate Competition. The Chemical Society is one of the most dynamic student societies in the Faculty of Applied Sciences. It is involved in many extracurricular activities that allow students to enhance their interpersonal skills. Your success is the central mission of our department. Please reach out to us if you have any questions. The Department of Chemistry wishes you good luck in this new chapter of your academic life.